Welcome back everyone. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'll be showing you how to claim your rank bonus and also on how to claim your referral bonus. So my last video I did a video on how to register on Bittoken. Because the interface of Bittoken have changed, and also on how to link your Telegram bot. So if you haven't checked the video, I dropped the video in the description below, so you can also check it so don't miss out on this Bittoken. So let's move in now to today's video, which I'll be showing you on how to claim your ref bonus on this Bittoken. So the first thing to do, make sure you have registered. So first thing to do is to click on this diamond. Click on this diamond here. Understand? So basically I'll go to my team here. So once I click on this my team here, I can click on this diamond here. So once I click on it, you can see the levels which I am into now. So basically I've claimed my diamond 1, diamond 2 and diamond 3, and basically I'm diamond 4 and diamond 3, and very soon I'll be on diamond 4. You can see right here. So you can, if you have a team leader and you are doing this project, make sure you claim your bonus right here. And after diamond 4 there's diamond 5, diamond 6, diamond 7, diamond, and they are what? Star director. So you can also see the requirement to be on each diamonds. So on diamond 1 you don't need anybody to be there, just have to have 500, also you have 50 RP. Diamond 2 you only have to have 200 RP. The tokens, and diamond 3 you only need to refer only 10 direct referral. So once you refer 10 direct referral, you can be on diamond 3. On diamond 4 you have to need 12 direct referral at diamond 3. So on diamond 5 you need only 14 referral at diamond 4. You'll be on diamond 5. So that's how it's moving on this project, you understand? So you are a team builder, you'll be having a lot of opportunity to make and also have a lot of benefits to enjoy from this platform, you understand? So this platform is not only for only team builder alone. So we also, so this is another opportunity for only team builders alone, you understand? So once you register, also make sure you share your links to your community. So I'll come to this team back now. Once I click on this team back, you see your 3 level debate commission. So once you click on this 3 level debate commission, you can claim bonus there, understand? But basically I don't have any bonus here to claim. So you see it here, claim something. So you just have to click on this claim top something. Yeah, understand? So I just have to claim this one, which is only one that is there now. So I'll go back to my team back. So when I go back on my team back, I'll go back to this direct referral commission. So this is the one which the total, this one will be showing total team which I have referred 3 friends, 5 friends. So basically I've invited 100 friends which I have claimed the bonus. So if you haven't claimed it, come here to come and claim your bonus. So let's say I have 500 members now, I can be able to also claim another bonus right here. So that is it. So I'll go back to my team back. So let me also explain how this direct referral bonus also works. You can see it here. Choose to claim top 10. Top 10, you can also claim it here. Just click on this claim top 10 and you can also claim it there, understand? So that is how to claim your ref bonus and your referral commission on this project. I hope you understand. So you come to this your wallet right here. Come to your wallet right here. You will also be seeing the token which you have mined successfully. For example, now I have mined 22 million of RP tokens. Understand? For you to list, I have accumulated of 7,000 of BBT. You understand? So that is how it works. You can also come to your team to also claim your bonus, and don't forget to also come to this your claim here to come and be claiming your referral, claim your token, every 2 hours depending on the time on your own, you understand. So you can claim to this post, you can also claim on this booster to also watch your ads here, you understand. And don't forget to also share your ref link to your community or to your family members so that you can also start mining. So this project is a great project, and the people who have mined, they are great mining people who are behind this project. So don't miss this project for anything. And they have raised over $200 million for this project so that the project can list. And very soon that will be listing very soon. So you are seeing this video right now. Get started to mine this project, you understand. So check the link description below so that you can also check my previous video on how to register on Bittoken, on how to link your Telegram bot on Bittoken. I hope you get that, guys. So if you are first time watching this video, enjoy, subscribe to this channel and also share this video to your friends and loved ones. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.